Today I'm going to show you how to create a seamless Instagram carousel in Canva, where one slide smoothly flows into the next. You've probably seen these kinds of carousels on Instagram. They immediately catch your attention and often get a lot of views and likes. And today I'll show you how to make one yourself. So let's get started. Before we open Canva, we need to decide how many slides we want in our carousel. That's because we are not going to create separate slides. Instead, we're going to create one big, long image and then split it into separate slides. Now, let's talk about the sizes. For Instagram posts, you can use 1:1, 3:4, and 4:5 formats. So, let's say we want to create a carousel with 5 slides in the 4:5 format. The height stays the same, 1350 pixels, and we multiply the width by the number of slides. 1080 multiplied by 5 gives us 5400 pixels, so the final size of our Canva project will be 5400 by 1350 pixels. Now let's open Canva and create a new design with these dimensions. I'm also going to add guides right away to make it easy to see where each slide starts and ends. Go to File, Settings, Add Guides. Here, choose the number of columns, the same as the number of slides we are planning to create. For example, if we have 5 slides, we choose 5 columns. Set the spacing between the columns to 0 and click Add Guides. Now we have a simple guide that shows us exactly where one slide ends and a new one begins. And now we can start creating the actual design. Add your photos, videos, text, graphics, basically anything you want to use in your carousel. But there is one important thing to keep in mind. If you want to create a truly seamless effect, don't think of each slide as a separate image. Instead, try to connect the elements across the slides. For example, a photo can start on one slide and continue on to the next one. You can do the same with text, graphics, or any other element. Those elements crossing the slide boundaries are what creates that seamless feeling. So instead of looking like 5 separate images, the carousel feels like one big composition that we are simply scrolling through one part at a time. Once everything is ready, remove the guides. Go to File, Settings, Clear Guides. Now we need to split our design into separate images. For this, go to Apps and open Image Splitter. Then upload your long image, choose the number of sections you need, and split the carousel into separate images. After that, all you have to do is upload them to Instagram in the correct order. And if you don't want to calculate the dimensions, create the guides and figure out how to connect the photos across the slides every time, I've prepared 5 ready-to-use seamless carousel templates. You can simply add your own photos, change the text and colors, and create a beautiful carousel really quickly. You don't even have to figure out which photo goes where. Everything is already designed for you. I'll leave the link to the templates in the description below. And one more thing for my viewers. Use the code YouTube to get 60% off any product. Just enter the code at checkout and create beautiful seamless carousels quickly, without all the extra calculations, and at a real good price. The link to the templates as a discount code will be in the description below. Thank you for watching.